Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm here with a small little project share that it's a really quick share, something that I've just been working on the last couple of weeks or not even weeks, probably like 2 months already. I've just been doing little by little, but these are so easy to make. That's why I wanted to show you guys. I did all of these policy envelopes, but I just want to go ahead and show you the patterns that I used, and I kind of like coordinated it. So I'll put down the link below. I think paper, I'm barely new to her channel. I've only found it recently when Anna told me about her channel, but I will link it down below as well as Anna's channel because she has the tutorial on how she did the different sizes of these. So I'm just here to show you what I did, because Anna was over about 2 months ago and she was knocking these things out, and I thought it was a great idea to make these for some Happy Mail, for some racks, so you know you have some on hand that you can just go ahead and send out. So, and I forgot, this is like an old school paper. I'm sure you guys remember this from a few years back, but I did those, and I did these in pairs just so that, you know, I'll have some ready. So this is that, I think it's the Recollections paper or Craft Smart. That one, I did this set right here. I did this set right here. And I love this. Sorry for the lighting. This set here. And these are using 12 by 12 papers. Did this. And then these are the Havana papers. Let's see. Did a few of them. So, and what I did with these, well, this one, I put a Velcro dot on here so that when you package it up, you can have it like that. So I did that one, and then I actually decorated the front of this one using the Havana papers and the cards. The what are these called again? Journaling cards. So I just have these cards, and I just stuck it in one of those Target dollar spot pockets. And then I made a shaker with this one. So I have that. And then I also made some more using the paper. Love this paper. As you can see, I've been putting this paper to work. Did that. And then I have this one because I wanted to make like a policy envelope flip book. So all I did was put holes at the end. So I wanted it to match with the theme. So this is like the mermaid theme. So I did that. And then I also played with it using some acetate. So this is the acetate that I got on clearance. Well, not this one, but this one on clearance at Joann's. And it worked pretty good. And all I did was use the clear double-sided tape. And you can barely see it. See? So, and I forgot where I got this one from, but super cute. So that's the acetate, and then I used vellum, which it came out pretty awesome with the vellum. So I played with that, and then Anna's tutorial, I also followed her using I believe it's 8.5 by 11. So here's some more vellum that I used. This is the Hobby Lobby 8.5 by 11 single sheet that they have, and I made a policy envelope with that one. And then I have this one, which is another Hobby Lobby. These are all Hobby Lobby vellums that I used. So at least I have these ready to go when I need to send out some Happy Mail or some packages. So I have that, and then I also have this, which I put the holes in here so I can make like a flip policy envelope book. using these papers. So gorgeous. So I have that, and then I also have some policy envelopes using the 6x6 paper. So there would be like the coin policy envelopes, I believe. And this is the Maggie Holmes Carousel collection. And look at how super cute. Look. So I just made a whole bunch of them. And you can put anything in here. You can put treats. You can make embellishments and stick them in these little envelopes. So I have that. And then I also, of course, made the theme, mermaid theme, and I punched a hole so I can make the flip policy envelope book. I have that. And then I have the Havana paper using the 6x6 paper. And then here is this one. So yeah, that's just a little something, you guys, that I've been working on over the past weeks and weeks and weeks that I wanted to share with you. Hopefully when I send these out, I can go ahead and show you what I do with them, so you guys can, you know, get some kind of idea. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'm on vacation. Well, I've been on vacation since Tuesday, and I go back to work next week Tuesday. So hopefully I'll have more time to craft. But I've been driving my sister around. My sister is here for my daughter's high school graduation party. That's actually Saturday. So she's been helping me with that. We've been just kind of spending time together. So hopefully I'll have time to craft and make more videos. I have a lot to share with you that I worked on weeks ago that I haven't had time to do a video. But I hope everybody is enjoying their days, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.